Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be part of my fam here on YouTube. So I'm pretty much going to be showing you today how to do a wing. It is super easy and super simple. To this day, I still mess up, but I have my ways to fix it. If you want to know how that is or how it looks or how to create a wing, if you're just starting off, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the eyeliner that I'm actually using is the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. This is my favorite eyeliner since like the longest. I've tried like different ones when I had like the Birchbox subscription and when I also had the Ipsy subscription. Yeah, I really love this one. I feel like it's super easy to apply. So yeah, let me show you guys my tips and tricks. I would go on YouTube and see what kind of like tutorials they have on YouTube and stuff, and they always said to put like the tape, but for me it never really worked just because it didn't come out the way that I liked for it. So I mean, that's another way you guys can go about it, putting like scotch tape the way that you want your wing to look like or you know, be. But for me, I usually use a mirror and I put it really close to my face so I can see exactly where it is that I want my wing to be. So I start off in the middle of the top of my waterline and then I work my way towards the inner corner. So I make it really thin, so if I end up messing up, I can always make it thicker. I go on and grab a little bit. And then I do the angle that I want my eyeliner wing to look like or be. It looks like that. It's okay if you mess up. I'll show you guys a way that I do to like fix it in case I mess up. So see how I do like very small strokes, and then I just start filling it in. So it comes out like that. See how I messed up a little right there? I usually go ahead, so I use this brush, which is from Sephora. It is a smudge brush, and then I use a little bit of my concealer, and then I go ahead and fix it. I haven't applied my foundation, so it's perfect. And then that is how I do my wing. If I usually want it thicker, then I'll go ahead and add more, but I always go back and add little by little. Let me fix it. So let me go ahead and do the other one, and I'm actually going to be adding my falsies, so it might make a difference. But like I said, it depends how dramatic you want it to be. And of course, I still have those days where I mess up really bad, but I try to like not get too upset about it and just start over. I feel like my left eye is the most easiest eye to do my wing. My right eye gives me a hard time. Alright, so that's pretty much what I do. I feel like the key to this is just to pretty much start off like pretty like close to your waterline, with the top of your waterline, and just build it up until you like how it looks. It's going to take various tries, like a lot of tries, and then the more you practice doing it, the better you'll get at it. But yeah, I actually like how they look, so now I'm going to finish doing my makeup and add my lashes and then show you guys how it actually looks. These are my new eyelashes. I actually got new falsies, a little bit more dramatic. They're the 3D Fox Mink Ardell eyelashes, and they look like this. I really like it. And then the wings, amazing. The only thing about these is that I have to wait usually longer now for them to dry, like for the glue to dry in order to put them on. And then the line for it is super thick, like where it goes to like your waterline and stuff. I did a little bit more of a dramatic eyeliner look just because these eyelashes are pretty dramatic, so that's how that looks. And like how I said, don't get discouraged, keep practicing and just keep doing it. I did the outline first. There's people that do it like so many different ways, but I hope my video helps some people out there. Everything's possible. I never used to know how to put eyelashes on either, and practice does make perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.